Ver scrolled through a website promising the moon and stars and found yourself thinking, is this too good to be true? Today, we're diving deep into that very question, specifically about a site that's been popping up in a lot of conversations, Neon. You've probably seen the ads, the sleek interface, maybe even heard whispers about the deals. But the burning question remains, is Neon a legit website or just another digital mirage? Let's be real, the internet is a wild west of opportunities and, unfortunately, scams. So, before you click that buy button or enter your precious details, it's crucial to do your homework. We're going to do some of that homework for you. First, let's talk about what Neon claims to offer. What's the appeal? Is it deals on electronics? Fashion? Services? Understanding their core offering is the first step in determining their legitimacy. If they're promising impossible discounts on high-end items, that's a massive red flag. If their service model is vague or confusing, that's another. Next, we need to dig into the site itself. What does the website look like? Does it have a professional design, or does it look like it was thrown together in an afternoon? Look for things like a secure connection, HTTPS, a clear privacy policy, and a functional contact us page. These are basic indicators of a reputable online business. But a fancy website doesn't guarantee legitimacy. We need to look deeper. Let's talk about reviews. What are people saying about Neon? Are there a lot of positive reviews, or are there a ton of complaints about late deliveries, poor customer service, or even worse, no deliveries at all? Remember, a few glowing reviews can be easily faked, but a consistent pattern of negative feedback is hard to ignore. Where are these reviews coming from? Are they on independent review sites, or are they just on the Neon website itself? Independent reviews are far more trustworthy. Look for reviews on sites like Trustpilot, SiteJabber, or even just general forums and social media. See what real people are saying. Now, let's talk about transparency. Who's behind Neon? Can you find information about the company's address, its founders, or its registration? A legitimate business will be transparent about its identity. If they're hiding behind a P.O. box or a generic email address, that's a major warning sign. Also, examine their payment options. Do they offer secure payment gateways like PayPal or reputable credit card processors? If they're asking for payments through obscure methods or wire transfers, proceed with extreme caution. This is a classic tactic used by scammers. Another crucial aspect is their customer service. How responsive are they? Try reaching out to them with a question or concern. Do they respond quickly and professionally, or do they ignore you or give vague answers? Test their responsiveness. A lack of customer service is a huge red flag. And what about their return policy? Is it clear and fair, or is it filled with loopholes and restrictions? A legitimate business will stand behind its products and services and offer a reasonable return policy. Finally, consider the overall feeling you get from the website. Does something just feel off? Trust your gut. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Don't let the allure of a great deal cloud your judgment. In the end, determining if Neon is legit requires a combination of research, skepticism, and common sense. By examining their website, reading reviews, checking their transparency, and testing their customer service, you can make a more informed decision. Remember, your online safety is paramount. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.